Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Anbernic RG35XX not turning on. So when you encounter this problem, the first thing that you want to do is to basically use the original cable, which is going to be the Type-C charging cable. And then you want to charge your device for at least 15 minutes. Now, if that doesn't work, we can then try using another fixes. So once again, you want to charge it with the 5V-2A charging brick, and then just make sure that you're using the original cable itself. From there, we then want to try to hard reset the device. Now you could do this by holding down the power button for at least 10 to 20 seconds. Now by doing this, it will simply remove or drain the circuit board from any power, forcing it to shut down. And then you can simply try turning it back on, because in some other cases, the circuit board might be shorted. Right after, we could also try using the reset button. You want to press, not hold, the small dot reset button located below the power button itself. So it's going to be this specific button right here. And lastly, you want to reset your SD card. You want to remove the TF1 OS card, ensure that it's clean, and then you could insert it back in tightly, making sure that everything works perfectly. And from there, you have fixed your console RG35XX not turning on. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.